I hope it's not too late for this, but this year, I am proud of myself because I'm moving back to Manila. Sama ko yung buong pamilya ko. Next. It's temporary. Tabingi na siya. Before buying a property here in BGC, na-realize ko na maybe it's wiser to rent first to know kung para sa amin ang life dito. It's primarily because nagpapaaral na rin ako ng anak. Oh my God, nagpapaaral na siya ng anak. Ang bilis. Ibablow ko ba dapat? Ito yung view kapag gabi. Wow! So beautiful. Looking back in the past 2 years, kapagod talaga. As in, nag-promise ako sa sarili ko na hindi na ako magkakwenta ng struggles ko on social media. Pero pagod! Promise. I felt like mag-isa ako sa lahat, parang ganun. But you know, being able to balance work and at the same time be present with my family is the greatest blessing. I couldn't ask for more. A few years ago, I thought I lost my spark. Pero minahal ko siya ng sobra ulit. Milestones like this really make life delicious. Speaking of delicious, parang gusto ko nang kainin tong cake at saka yung mga binili ko kanina. Order ako sa Foodpanda. May 100 pesos off. Paano? Secret. Type niya sa Foodpanda yung sarap. Tapos may 100 off ka na sa selected restaurants. Solid. Grabe tong view na to. I just realized, sobrang libre ang mangarap. We have unlimited chances to dream. And I feel like if you know how to dream, you motivate yourself better. You get happier. This is what makes life delicious. Ikaw, ano yung mina-manifest mo this year? Manifest natin yan. Comment below.